Yes, my dear friends, this is RAGHAVENDRA from APPA Public School. In the last class, we have discussed some of the points regarding the synthetic fiber and plastics. So, specially, we have discussed about the synthetic fibers only. What are synthetic fibers and types of synthetic fibers, characteristic of synthetic fibers, and disadvantages, demerits of synthetic fibers, uses or advantages of synthetic fibers. We have discussed in the last or previous classes. Hope point is clear, isn't it? So today we are going to discuss about specially regarding the plastics. Okay, so already we have completed regarding the fiber we have completed. Today we are going to discuss about the plastics. Okay, especially plastics. So as you know that how synthetic fibers are prepared, okay, by the help of single monomers. More than single monomers, they can join together from a big product that is called synthetic fiber by single monomers. Monomers means single only. Mono means single. Okay. So same way here also plastics. What is meant by plastic means it is a synthetic material. Plastic is a synthetic material prepared by using the so many monomers. So many monomers are polymers. Already you know very well polymers means what? Monomer means what? Isn't it? Monomers and polymers you know very well, isn't it? So plastic, I think you observe the plastic, different types of plastic you already observed in your home. Okay, if you made the list of plastic in your home, at least you will get the more than 50 or 60 plastic, different types of plastics materials you are going to use in your daily life. Okay, you are going to use in your daily life, different types of plastics. Okay, if you made the list, you will get more than 60. Okay, it may be box, it may be jug, it may be bucket, it may be plate, it may be other kind of, including pen also. You can make the list. You'll get the more than 60 materials. It means, my dear friends, we are completely dependent on plastics. 70% we are dependent on plastic only. There was one era. What is that era? Okay, copper era, or age also you can call it is bronze. Next, iron. Okay, we were using iron, we were using copper, we were using bronze, we were using iron, but right now we are using plastics. Okay, any functions, any work, most of the people they are using the plastics. Okay, I think you know well, especially in the functions. Okay, now it is called a plastic era or plastic age. It is called plastic age or era because we are dependent on plastic only, isn't it? If any sort of functions, if any sort of work, we are going to collect the plastic only. You know where we'll carry bags. If you went to the market, you bring some fruits, vegetables in plastic only. You are not going to carry any bags, cloth bags, paper bags, or any other kinds of bags. You are not going to carry, but you are going like that only. And you are going to purchase fruits and vegetables. Okay, you will bring one carry bag, polythene bags. Okay, after bringing that bag, after bringing that plastic, after bringing that polythene bags, so you will keep your food side and you are throwing the plastic here and there. Into the nature, into the environment, you are going to throw it. Isn't it? So just you can focus on that plastic, what kind of effect will be there on the environment. Okay, we will discuss this effect. What is the effect of plastic on environment? We will discuss later. Okay, so plastic you will get the in a different size, different shapes, okay, and different volumes. Size, shape, volumes. Isn't it? Size, shape, volumes. Okay, these are the shape and metals you are going to get already available in the market. Size, shape, volumes, different shapes, different size, different types of plastics, and the arrangement of plastics. How the arrangement of plastic will be there? So listen here. So first one, linear arrangement. Linear arrangement. What is that linear? So the monomers are arranging like this, regular. Okay, this like this arrangement. It is a linear arrangement. Okay, different types of plastics are there, but all plastics are not same. Some plastics are quite changed. Arrangement change, not same arrangement. So second arrangement, that is cross linked. Crossed linked arrangement will be there. How crossed? So already you observed where beads, paper clips, necklace. In the previous classes we have discussed. Okay, so like this arrangement will be there, isn't it? This is the arrangement. Okay, like this arrangement will be there, isn't it? Okay, this is the arrangement between the monomers. These are units. These are monomers, single chemical units, and all together they form a big substance. Big substance that is called plastic. Cross-linked arrangement and a linear arrangement. Two types of arrangement are there. Isn't it? Two types of arrangement are there in plastics. Okay. Yes, my dear friends, as you know that it is a synthetic fiber. All plastic do not have the same type of arrangement. Already I told you. All plastic they do not have the same type of arrangement. Some are different shape, some are different size, shapes, volumes also. Isn't it? So different types of plastic we will get. Yes, my dear friends. Nowadays we are depending on the plastic. Why? Why that much we are dependent? Even you people can bring the food also inside the plastics. Inside the plastics. Okay, carry bag, polythene bags, you know very well. That food also you are bringing. Okay, let us see that why we are going to choose the plastic. Isn't it? What is the main reason for the plastics? Okay, it is available in the different shapes. Different shapes. Which one? Plastics. Available in the different shapes. That is why we are going to use this one. And it is readily available. Readily available. Isn't it? Readily. If you want plastic plate means within 1 hour you will get. Plastic glass within 1 hour you will get. Just you should go to the market. Everything will be available regarding the plastics. Okay, readily available. Next, different shapes available. Next, you can be recycled. Third point, after using we can recycle it. Next, fourth point, I'm going to write here, reuse. We can reuse it. How we are going to reuse? So imagine that you brought the plastic from the market. You can keep the plastic one side. Next day you can take that plastic to the market. Or to bring something, you can take that plastic only. Reuse. Plastic can be colored. Okay. Next, rolled. Colored. Is it colored? Rolled. Is it clear? Yes. Colored, rolling. We have to roll it like bundle. Isn't it? We have to give the color. Which color we want? We can give the color to the plastic. Isn't it? Yes. My dear friends, that is why it finds such a variety. So that is why we are going to get the different types of plastic right now. Different types of plastic right now we are going to get. Okay. You know very well polythene plastic. Polythene bag. Okay, polythene is an example of plastic. It is used for making, commonly used for polythene bags. You know very well polythene bags. Okay, it is available. It is readily available in the market. You can collect it. Right? Yes, my dear friends. Let us see that. Here you will observe the so many plastic, different types of articles, different types of plastics, articles, useful materials. So many things we are going to observe. Okay. So while observing, there are some plastic they can bend on heating. Imagine it is a plastic pen. Even this pen also plastic. So on heating, what happen here? It will bend. It will bend. It means it can change its shape, and after that we can use it. How? Let us see that. Yes, my dear students, there are some when we add hot water to a plastic bottle, it gets formed. Such plastic which is deformed easily on heating and can be bent easily are known as thermoplastic. In plastic, two types. In plastic, two types. Let us see that. In plastic, two types. So one is thermoplastic. Thermoplastic. Second one is thermosetting plastic. Thermosetting plastic. Yes, sir. Two types of there are two types of plastics. Okay, first one we will discuss. Thermoplastic. Thermo means heat. Thermo means heat here. Plastic means normally it is a synthetic material. Thermo means heat. Plastic means plastic materials. Isn't it? Yes. Thermoplastic. My dear friends, the substance which bend properly on heating. Which bend properly on heating. Okay. Next, can be moldable. Can be moldable. Okay, we can mold it. Which shape you want, you can make it after heating. It will melt on heating. It will melt on heating. Melting of plastic. When it is heated, it will melt. Isn't it? On heating, it will melt. And after heating, you can make the shape of the plastic which you want. What type of shape you want, that type of shape you can make it. Isn't it? So this is the main character to use the plastics, thermoplastics. Okay, most of the people, most of the homes, they are using thermoplastic only because the recycle is there. Recycle. If it is damaged, we are going to throw it. Instead of going to throw it, we have to give to those are collecting the plastic materials. Okay, so it is recycle, isn't it? They are going to take all the waste plastic materials or waste material to the factory. They can make or deform all the plastic. Okay, can melt, isn't it? Yes, you should be remember. So best example for this, polyethylene. Next, PVC. PVC full form polyvinyl chloride. Polyvinyl chloride, isn't it? So these are the two types of plastic. These are the two types of plastic. PVC and polyethylene. These are the two types of plastic, especially thermoplastics. Thermoplastic, isn't it? Yes, my dear friends. So these plastic we are going to uses where we are going to use for the preparation of toys, combs, utensils, carry bags. Okay, carry bags, toys, combs, utensils, carry bags. Still, so many things we are going to prepare by such plastics, such a plastic. Okay, Yes, my dear friends, polythene and PVC are the example for thermoplastic used for manufacturing toys, combs, and various types of containers. Okay, this is about what a little bit information thermoplastics, isn't it? Thermoplastic. Then afterwards, coming to the thermosetting plastic. Thermosetting plastic. Yes, it cannot bend. Cannot bend when on heating. On heating cannot bend on heating. Okay, it is a very strong plastic. Therm means heat. Set means once it sets on heating, my dear friends, next time it can't bend it properly. It will damage, it will break, it will burn, but you cannot make other shape after the heating. Once it is heated, over. Once it is prepared, once it is manufactured, over. That is the final shape, that is the final volume and size. You cannot change the shape in this case. And these plastics are very strong plastics. Strength is very good. Okay, thermosetting plastic. It means setting. Once it sets over, that is the final. It may be shape, it may be size, it may be volume, whatever it may be. My dear friends, it cannot remolded. Okay, next point. It does not melt on heating. Of course, it will burn, but not melt. Mind it, isn't it? So these are the some properties of thermosetting plastic. Example for the thermosetting plastic: bakelite, and second one melamine. Melamine is the second example for a thermosetting. These are the two types of plastic, especially thermosetting plastic. Thermoplastic over thermosetting plastic. So bakelite is the first example and melamine is the second example. It is a poor conductor of heat and electricity. Which one? Bakelite. Poor conductor of heat and electricity means there is no transformation of electricity as well as heat. Poor conductor of heat and electricity. I hope you have got this sentence. Poor conductor of heat and electricity, isn't it? It is used for making the electrical switches, handles, electrical switches. You know, wherever you are in your home, electric circuit is there, switches are there, boards are there. Boards are prepared by using bakelite plastic only because it is a poor conductor of heat and electricity, isn't it? Okay, bakelite plastics. Yes, and next afterwards, switches. Next, handles of kitchenwares. You know where we will insert the kitchenwares? Handles of kitchenwares, isn't it? Next, afterwards, we can prepare other things also, especially thermosetting plastic. Okay, bakelite, poor conductor of heat and electricity. We can use this plastic for switches. Switches means electric boards. You know very well. Next, handles of the some of the kitchenwares. In other area also we are going to use. Next, after this, melamine is a plastic. One more plastic. Yes, and it can resist fire and tolerate height. Resist fire, tolerate tolerate height, tolerate height, isn't it? Resist fire, tolerate height, isn't it? Hope point is clear. It means it can hold the height. We can use such type of plastics, especially in ovens, electric ovens, or solar water heaters are there also we are going to use electric ovens, solar water ovens, microwaves. There also we are going to use, isn't it? And it is used for the kitchenware also. Kitchenware. I think you are not observing. I'm going to write here kitchenware. Okay, next, floor tiles. Floor tiles. Okay, there also we are going to use. Okay, because these are very strong. These are very strong kitchen work and uh, fireproof jackets. Fireproof jackets. Isn't it? Yes. My dear students, I hope point is clear regarding the thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic. Isn't it? What we have discussed right now, we have discussed what is meant by plastics and what is meant by plastic and different types of arrangement will be there. Right now we are using the more plastics in our daily life. Without fail, we are using. Most of the people they are dependent on plastic only, isn't it? Yes. What is meant by plastics? It is a synthetic material prepared by using the monomers. Next, afterwards, different types of plastics and arrangement, linear arrangement, and one more that is crossed linked arrangement. So these are the two types of arrangement. Why we are going to use the plastic? Why we are going to select the plastics? Instead of iron, instead of silver, instead of copper, we are going to select the plastic only because already I given the some of the reasons. Okay, it is available in the market, readily available in the market. That is why we are going to use. Okay, readily available in that, and it can be rolled. It can be available in the different shapes, different shapes, isn't it? It is available in the different shapes, and very important thing. Cheaper, it means less price, less, and it is very comfortable to use, durable, affordable, isn't it? So these are the some of the points. So we can use the plastics daily. Okay, and some people they are bringing their lunch inside the plastic lunch box. I have observed, especially students last year or before last year, before Corona, I have observed that what some students they are bringing the plastic inside the plastic lunch. Plastic means you don't think that it is a very strong plastic and quality plastic, and it does not react with the food. It does not react with the food. And some people they are bringing the plastic lunch box. I think you observed plastic lunch box are there, isn't it? Yes. After that, so many plastics are there. You people are using the different types of plastic. Yes, I want to know that how many plastic you people are going to use in your home. How much? How much plastic you are going to use? Shape, size, everything you have to make the list and post to me. Isn't it? Shapes and size, and you can make the list of the plastics. Chair, jug, bucket, small bowls, including spoon also you have to make the list. Including spoon also can make the list. Isn't it? Yes. Then afterwards we have discussed about the types of plastic. Two types of plastic. One is the thermoplastic. Okay, thermoplastic means on heating you can bend, on heating you can bend. How also you can bend it? Which shape you want you can make the shape. That is moldable. Can be moldable, isn't it? Next, on heating you can bend it. Which shape you want you can take it. Next, polythene and PVC. These are the two types of plastics, isn't it? So PVC means it is the polyvinyl chloride. Polyvinyl chloride. Okay, it is PVC pipes are right now we are using pipes in irrigation department. Pipes in your home also that syntax to that bathroom connection, syntax to other side connection is the pipes. Some pipes we are going to use PVC only for transporting the water from one place to the another place, isn't it? Yes. So this is a PVC and it is a very strong pipe, PVC, isn't it? So polythene bags, you know, you are familiar with the polythene bags. No need to explain more here. You are familiar with the polythene bags, isn't it? And uses of thermoplastics, this is used for toys, this is used for combs, this is used for utensils, and some of the carry bags also we are going to prepare. And totally it is about the thermoplastic. Next, come to the point, thermosetting plastic can't bend on heating. They can't bend. Of course, they can burn it, but they cannot bend like this. Cannot change their shape. Once it is damaged, over. Once it is damaged, over. Final. Isn't it? Cannot moldable. Okay? Cannot moldable. We can't change the shape and cannot melt it. Exactly opposite of thermoplastic. Yes, example bakelite and melamine. These are the two types of plastics, especially thermosetting plastic. Okay, bakelite is a poor conductor of heat and electricity, and it is used for switches. You know very well switches. The handles of the switch rails also there. We are going to use because it is a poor conductor. Next, melamine is a plastic. It can resist the high heat tolerance, isn't it? And it is used in oven also, micro oven, and as well as electric ovens are there, and solar ovens also are there. Next, my dear friends, it is used for food, floor tiles, and kitchen mirrors, fireproof jackets. Fireproof jacket. That much we are going to use the melamine plastic. Yes, anyhow, my dear friends, we are going to use the plastic in each and every home without fail, isn't it? Yes, my dear friends, why we are going to choose the plastic only? There are some characteristics are there. There are some features are there. Depends upon that we are going to use the plastic, isn't it? My dear friends, we will discuss next point in the next session. Plastics as materials of choice. Plastic is a non-reactive. Plastic is light, strong, and durable. Next, poor conductor of heat and electricity. Later, we will discuss about what is the relation between plastic and environments, biodegradable and non-biodegradable. These are the points we will cover in the next session. Okay, whatever we have discussed today, I hope point is clear. If anybody has a doubt, we will discuss in the teachment tab. Okay, guys, thank you.